Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all. I hope so you all are well and safe at your homes. I'm your teacher, Miss Hajra. Welcome to our first e-class. Do you know what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn something very interesting today. You all must be enthusiastic to learn new things through our new classes. Students, you can see two sentences on your screens. The first one is, if you stay home, comma, you stay safe. The second one is, if you go out, comma, you are prone to the virus. Why I have written these two sentences? Because nowadays we have to stay at homes and we are safe. If we stay home, what is the result of staying at home? We are safe. And if we go out, what would be the result of going out? We would be prone to the virus. In English grammar, we have such sentences where we have a condition, a situation, and at the same time we have a result of that situation, that condition. If you stay at home, this is nowadays condition, this is nowadays situation. And what is the result of staying at home? You are safe. If you go out, this is the situation. Students, read the sentences which you can see on your screens. The first one is, if you stay home, comma, you stay safe. The second one, if you go out, comma, you are prone to the virus. What do these two sentences show? It means these are the sentences, these are the conditions which we are facing nowadays. We are bound to stay at home. It's a situation, it's a condition. And what is the result of staying home? We are safe. You all are safe. While in the other sentence, what will happen if you go out? Going out is the situation, is the condition. And whatever will happen after going out, that is the result. And what is the result? We are prone to the virus. Students, in English grammar, we have such sentences where we have a condition and at the same time there is a result, there is a consequence of that happening, that condition, that situation. Any idea, any guesses that what do we call those sentences? Okay. Let us discuss further. I'll tell you what we call those sentences. Such sentences are called conditional sentences. If you stay home, you stay safe. Here, staying at home is the condition and going out is the result. So, in English grammar, all those sentences which have a condition, which have a situation and a consequence too, are called conditional sentences. How we define a conditional sentence? A conditional sentence is a sentence that gives a condition. For example, if it rains, and the outcome of the condition occurring, what do you mean by outcome? Outcome means the result, the consequence of the raining. What will be the result of this rain? The match will be cancelled. So, raining is the situation, is the condition, while the cancelling of the match is the result. So, such sentences are called conditional sentences. Students, we have four types of conditional sentences: zero conditionals, first conditionals, second conditionals, third conditionals. Today we are going to learn about zero conditionals. A conditional sentence always starts with if. After if we write the condition, and after comma we write result. Every conditional sentence has its own formula, has its own formation. Means every conditional sentence has its own specific tenses for the condition and the result. Which tense we use for zero conditionals? We use present simple tense in zero conditional sentences, both for the condition and the result. We use present simple tense. What zero conditional sentences express? In which sentences we use zero conditionals? Journal truths, habits, real world, scientific facts. These are the four things. While writing these, we use zero conditional tense. And it's mandatory to use zero conditional tense while expressing for these. Students, as I told you that we use present simple tense in zero conditionals, let me give you a brief review of present simple tense. Present simple tense is used for situations, journal truths and fixed agreements. Means something that happens on daily basis, that is a fact that can't be changed. The same thing is used in the zero conditionals. What is the demand of present simple tense? Subject, the doer of an action, verb. Here you can see I have written S/es. It means with the verb first form only, S or es is used for the singular nouns and pronouns and object. But for plural nouns, we do not add S or es with the verb first form. How do we make negative sentences of present simple tense? Subject, then don't and does not. Do not is used for the plural nouns, does not is used for the singular nouns and pronouns as well. Verb base form. Base form means the first form of verb and then the remaining part of the sentence or object. Students, never add s or es even with the singulars in negative sentences. For example, she does not eats meal is wrong. She does not eat meal. They do not eat meal is wrong. They do not eat meal. How to make interrogative or the questioning sentences? Do or does are always put in the beginning of the sentence and then the remaining part of the sentence, that is subject, verb base form plus object. These are the formulas for the sentences in present simple tense. You can read the examples carefully, which will help you to understand present simple tense much better. Few examples of zero conditionals. Number 1, if it rains, the ground gets wet. Students, if it rains, the first part of a conditional sentence is called if clause or a condition. The second part is called result. So the first part before comma, it is called if clause. And it is mandatory to put comma after the if clause. Number 2, if I cry, comma, I have a headache. Number 3, if you mix yellow with and blue, comma, you get green. This is a scientific fact. Number 4, if you are tired, comma, you go to the bed early. Obviously, if you are tired, you will definitely go to the bed early. If you leave the object, comma, it drops. Number 6. If you pour oil in water, comma, it floats. It's a scientific fact which you can experiment at your home. Why this happens? Because oil is lighter than water. Number 7. If you smoke, comma, you get old early. This is quite true because smoking is hazardous for our organs. That was all about the zero conditionals. If you have any queries, any issues regarding the topic, you can contact me via WhatsApp. I'll send you the worksheets which you have to collect and you have to submit in time. Next time we will meet with a new and exciting topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.